Trying to find the best iron for clothes without wasting money on the wrong one? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best irons for clothes you can buy right now. I'll break down how they perform, how easy they are to use, and which one actually makes ironing faster so you can pick the right one for your needs. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Butyral Steam Iron for Clothes with Precision Thermostat Dial, Ceramic-Coated Sole Plate, 3-Way Auto-Off, Self-Cleaning, Anti-Calcium, Anti-Drip. If you're looking at the Butyral Steam Iron, you're probably trying to find something reliable for everyday ironing without overcomplicating the process. In the US market, this iron is best known for offering a balance between control and ease of use. It's not a high-end professional iron, but it's also not a bare-bones basic model. It sits right in that middle ground that works for most American households. In real-world use across US homes, this type of iron is typically used for weekly laundry routines. Think ironing dress shirts before heading to work, smoothing out wrinkled pants for a meeting, or quickly fixing clothes before heading out the door. One of the biggest strengths here is the Precision Thermostat Dial. For US buyers, this matters more than it sounds. Different fabrics, like cotton, polyester, or delicate materials, require different heat levels, and having that control helps prevent burning or damaging clothes. The ceramic-coated sole plate is another strong point. It glides smoothly across fabric, which makes ironing feel less like a chore. In practical terms, that means fewer passes over the same area and less effort overall. For busy mornings, that can save time when you're trying to get ready for work or school. Number 2. Persteam Steamburst Plus 1750W Steam Iron, Ceramic Sole Plate, Adjustable Steam, Burst of Steam, Self-Clean, Anti-Calc, Anti-Drip, Powerful and long-lasting steam for all fabrics. If you're considering the Persteam Steamburst Plus, you're likely looking for something with stronger steam performance and a bit more power for tackling tougher wrinkles. In the US market, this iron is best known for delivering consistent, powerful steam in a straightforward, no-nonsense design. In real-world American homes, this iron is often used by people who do larger loads of laundry or need to iron more frequently. Think families with kids, professionals who wear dress shirts daily, or anyone who prefers crisp, wrinkle-free clothing on a regular basis. It's built for more demanding use compared to basic irons. The biggest strength here is the steam output. The steam burst feature is especially useful when you're dealing with stubborn wrinkles in thicker fabrics like cotton shirts or jeans. Instead of going over the same area multiple times, you can use a burst of steam to smooth it out faster. That's a big time saver, especially during busy weekday mornings in the US. The ceramic sole plate also helps with smooth gliding, and the higher wattage means it heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperature. In practical terms, that means less waiting and more efficient ironing, which matters when you're trying to get through a pile of laundry. Another advantage is the larger water tank. For US buyers doing bigger loads, this means fewer refills, which makes the process more convenient. The self-clean and anti-calc features also help maintain performance over time, especially in regions with hard water. Now for the trade-offs. While it's more powerful, it's also slightly less beginner-friendly. You'll need to manage steam levels and temperature settings yourself, which may not appeal to users who want a simpler experience. It can also feel a bit heavier during extended use, which might be noticeable if you're ironing a lot at once. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron for Clothes, Automatic Shutoff, Non-Stick Plate, Lightweight, 1200 watts. If you're looking at the Black Plus Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron, you're probably not trying to overthink ironing, you just want something simple that gets the job done. In the US market, this iron is best known as a basic, affordable, no-frills option that's widely used in apartments, dorms, and smaller households. In real-world American use, this is the kind of iron people grab for quick, everyday tasks. Think smoothing out a dress shirt before heading to the office, fixing wrinkles on a t-shirt before going out, or doing a small batch of laundry on the weekend. It's especially common among college students or renters who don't want a bulky or complicated appliance. The biggest strength here is how lightweight and easy it is to handle. You're not dealing with a heavy iron that tires your arm out. For quick touch-ups, that matters. The non-stick sole plate glides easily across most fabrics, and the automatic shutoff adds a layer of safety, something a lot of US buyers care about, especially when rushing out the door. Another advantage is simplicity. There's no complicated learning curve. You plug it in, adjust the dial, and start ironing. For people who don't iron often, that's a big plus. But let's be honest, this is a basic iron. The 1200 watts of power means it's not designed for heavy-duty jobs. If you're dealing with thick fabrics like denim or large loads of laundry, it's going to feel underpowered. You may need to go over the same area multiple times to get rid of stubborn wrinkles. Steam performance is also pretty average. It works fine for light fabrics, but it's not strong enough to compete with higher-end irons. If you expect powerful steam bursts, you'll be disappointed. So who should buy this? This is a great fit for US buyers who iron occasionally and just need something lightweight and easy. It's ideal for small spaces, dorm rooms, or as a backup iron. Number 4. 1500W cordless iron for clothes, wireless steam iron with rapid heating and auto shut-off, for effective wrinkle removal. If you're considering a 1500W cordless steam iron, you're probably tired of dealing with cords, and that's exactly what this type of iron is built to solve. In the US market, cordless irons are known for convenience and flexibility, especially in smaller spaces or for quick ironing sessions. In real American homes, this kind of iron is often used for quick touch-ups rather than full laundry days. Imagine getting ready for work, realizing your shirt is wrinkled, and quickly ironing it without worrying about a cord getting tangled or limiting your movement. It's also useful for larger items like tablecloths or curtains, where a cord can be annoying. The biggest strength here is freedom of movement. You can iron from any angle without restriction, which makes the process feel faster and more comfortable. The rapid heating feature also helps, you don't have to wait long to get started. Steam performance is decent, and the 1500W power gives it enough strength for most everyday fabrics. For typical US use shirts, pants, and light fabrics, it does the job well. But here's the trade-off, and it's important. Because it's cordless, it doesn't stay hot continuously. You have to place it back on the base to reheat. During longer ironing sessions, this can interrupt your flow and slow you down. That's the biggest complaint US buyers tend to have with cordless irons. So who should buy this? This is perfect for US buyers who value convenience and mobility over raw power. It's great for quick jobs, small households, or anyone who hates dealing with cords. Number 5. Rowenta Focus Excel Steam Iron for Clothes, Anti-Drip Protection, Iron Steamer for Clothes, 1725 watts, DW5280. If you're looking at the Rowenta Focus Excel, you're clearly aiming for performance. In the US market, Rowenta is known for making high-quality steam irons, and this model is recognized for delivering strong steam output and more professional-level results compared to basic irons. In real-world US households, this iron is typically used by people who iron regularly, professionals who wear dress shirts daily, families with large laundry loads, or anyone who wants crisp, wrinkle-free clothes without spending extra time. The biggest strength here is steam power. The 1725 watts combined with strong steam output make a noticeable difference. You can tackle stubborn wrinkles in thicker fabrics like cotton shirts, jeans, or even linens much faster than with entry-level irons. That means fewer passes and less effort overall. Another advantage is the soleplate design. It distributes steam evenly across the fabric, which helps speed up the ironing process. In practical terms, this is a time saver, especially during busy mornings or large weekend laundry sessions. The anti-drip protection is also important. It helps prevent water spots on clothes, which can be frustrating when you're trying to get a clean, polished look. Those are my picks for the top 5 best irons for clothes. Each one brings something different to the table, whether it's stronger steam, better glide, or easier handling. At the end of the day, the best choice depends on how often you iron and what you need it for. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.